Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap using your iPhone, you'll need to use Wallet Connect. Simply go open up your web browser from your iPhone and in the URL box type in PancakeSwap.finance and search. You'll end up in the PancakeSwap website. Click on the Connect button at the top right hand corner and from the pop-up below, Connect to Wallet Connect. Tap on Wallet Connect. From the list, select Trust option. You'll see a Wallet Connect screen through your Trust Wallet application. Select Connect in order to complete joining the wallet to PancakeSwap. Now, go back to your web browser to confirm the action, and that way you'll be able to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.